It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Sierra. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power locks, power windows with auto express windows, the child lock button, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, door storage down below, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have the trailer brake, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at our steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons and a heated steering wheel button, and to the right we have our audio controls and voice commands. This is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, some interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. Onstar in the rear view mirror. Next is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touch screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with guidance. A CD player down below, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, power adjustable pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, hill descent control. We also have some USB ports and power plugins, 2 cup holders, and on top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Sierra, we have LED headlamps, fog lights, black tow hooks, a bug deflector, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, 20-inch aluminum wheels, black side mirrors, rear tinted windows, tubular running boards down below, the rear window slider, a hard tonneau cover, and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. All-weather floor mats on the floor. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has some storage compartments and a power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.